Hey, it's Mike from AnywhereCam. Our Eagle 4G camera is the easiest camera on the market to set up. To show that to you, Ron and I are going to set a camera up together today, but we're gonna have a race. I'm gonna start setting it up on the app, and he's gonna start getting ready to mount it to the wall. We're gonna see who wins the race. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. You need the package of screws here. I'll hand them to you.
Camera is now connected to internet. Please follow the in-app instruction to add the camera to your account. Camera is successfully added to your account.
There you go. All right, we're all set up on the app. The camera's live. Now we just need Ron to put 4 screws in it and we're ready to go. As you can see, Anywhere cams are so easy that anyone can set them up anywhere. You can order them easily online too on our website, AnywhereCam. It's .cam, AnywhereCam. If you have any questions, you can always call us, you can always chat us. 24/7, our website's available with information as well. We hope we can help you out with your remote surveillance and security needs, give you a little bit of peace of mind. AnywhereCam.